Across the globe, indigenous tribes have developed unique and sustainable ways of life, heavily influenced by their local environments. This reflection extends to their diets, which showcase a remarkable diversity of ingredients and practices. In this video, we will be delving into the diet of indigenous tribes in different regions. The Amazon rainforest, teeming with life, is home to diverse indigenous tribes who have thrived in harmony with this rich ecosystem for millennia. Their diets showcase a deep understanding of their surroundings and a commitment to sustainable practices. Imagine biting into a juicy acai berry, its antioxidant-rich flesh bursting with flavor. Or picture the tangy sweetness of a passion fruit, its vibrant yellow skin hiding a refreshing treasure. These, along with guavas and countless other fruits, are nature's candy for the tribes. They are readily available, offering essential vitamins and minerals, and often play a role in cultural ceremonies. But the rainforest isn't just about sweet treats. Manioc, a root vegetable, forms the backbone of the diet. It's processed into flour, boiled or roasted, providing sustained energy for daily activities. Yams and sweet potatoes also play important roles, offering complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber. Interestingly, some tribes even use manioc to create a fermented beverage, adding variety to their diet. While plants dominate the Amazonian plate, protein also plays a crucial role. Fishing is a way of life for many tribes. They navigate the mighty rivers in canoes, using traditional techniques like spears and nets to catch a variety of fish, from the mighty piranha to the elusive catfish. But the protein story doesn't end there. Skilled hunters stalk small mammals like monkeys and rodents, ensuring a balanced intake of essential nutrients. And did you know? Some tribes even consider insects like giant grasshoppers to be a valuable source of protein and fat. It's important to remember that these tribes are not just taking from the rainforest, they are deeply connected to it. They practice sustainable hunting and gathering techniques, ensuring the long-term health of the ecosystem that sustains them. This deep respect for nature is a core value that has allowed them to thrive in the Amazon for generations. Traveling high into the Andes mountain region along South America's western side, where the air is thin and the climate harsh, indigenous communities have flourished for millennia thanks to their ingenious agricultural practices. This region boasts a unique combination of crops and livestock that have sustained these cultures for generations. Grains like quinoa and amaranth are the cornerstones of the Andean diet. These powerhouses are considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids the body needs to function properly. Quinoa, often referred to as the grain of the Incas, is a versatile crop that can be cooked and eaten like rice or ground into flour. Amaranth, another ancient grain, is known for its nutty flavor and nutritional value. Tubers, particularly potatoes, form another vital component of the Andean diet. The region boasts an incredible variety of potatoes, each with its own unique color, texture, and flavor. These starchy vegetables are a rich source of carbohydrates, providing the body with sustained energy, crucial for life at high altitudes. Livestock plays a dual role in the Andean communities. Llamas and alpacas, camelid relatives, are primarily raised for their wool, which is used for clothing, bedding, and other textiles. However, their meat is also consumed, although typically reserved for special occasions or consumed in smaller quantities compared to the grains and tubers. The agricultural practices and food culture of the Andean region demonstrate remarkable resilience and adaptation. By harnessing the unique potential of their environment, these communities have thrived for centuries, showcasing a sustainable and balanced approach to food production. Sub-Saharan Africa boasts a breathtaking diversity of landscapes, and this variety extends to the plates of its indigenous tribes. In sun-scorched savannas where rainfall is scarce, tribes like the Dogon of Mali and the Turkana of Kenya rely heavily on drought-resistant grains like sorghum and millet. These hardy crops pack a powerful punch of carbohydrates, keeping people energized under the relentless sun. Interestingly, sorghum stalks are also used to create sturdy shelters, showcasing the resourcefulness of these communities. Legumes, like peanuts and cowpeas, are another vital source of sustenance. Not only are they rich in protein, but they also possess the unique ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, naturally enriching the land for future harvests. Beyond the plant kingdom, the vast plains teem with diverse wildlife. Tribes like the Hadzabe of Tanzania practice sustainable hunting of antelope, zebra, and other game. Their skills are honed through generations of tradition, ensuring they only take what they need, allowing the animal populations to flourish. Shifting gears, we travel to East Africa, where the landscape transforms into lush grasslands. Here, pastoralist tribes like the Maasai have mastered the art of living in harmony with their herds. Their primary source of food comes from livestock, such as cattle, sheep, and goats. These animals provide nutritious milk and blood, vital for hydration and essential nutrients in a region where water can be scarce. Interestingly, meat consumption is reserved for special occasions, reflecting a deep respect for the animals that sustain them. Imagine living in a land where temperatures can plummet to minus 50 degrees Celsius. In this harsh environment, the Siberian tribes have become experts at utilizing every available resource to create a nutritious and sustainable diet. One crucial element is fish. Salmon, known for its rich fatty acids, and other cold water species are caught through various methods, like ice fishing using cleverly designed contraptions that break through the frozen surface. Reindeer are another vital source of sustenance. These hardy animals not only provide meat, but also clothing and transportation. Traditionally, the entire animal is used, with bones made into tools and organs like the liver consumed for essential vitamins. Foraging is also a crucial part of their diet. Berries like cloudberries, packed with vitamin C, are picked during the short summer, while mushrooms and wild greens add valuable vitamins and minerals to the diet. In stark contrast to Siberia's frozen landscape lies the tropical paradise of Southeast Asia. Here, the indigenous tribes have thrived on the abundance of the fertile land, creating a diet rich in variety and flavor. Rice is the undisputed king of the Southeast Asian diet, providing essential carbohydrates for energy. Different varieties, each with unique textures and flavors, are cultivated and enjoyed in various ways. The region boasts a dazzling array of vegetables, including leafy greens like water spinach, protein-rich legumes like mung beans, and colorful squashes. These provide necessary vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The bountiful waters surrounding Southeast Asia offer a wealth of seafood. Fish, shellfish, and even seaweed contribute valuable protein and essential minerals like iodine to the diet. That's just a taste of the incredible diversity of indigenous diets around the world. From the rainforests of the Amazon to the scorching savannas of Africa, each region offers unique ingredients and traditions. Remember, these are just glimpses into these rich and complex cultures. There's so much more to discover. If you're curious to learn more about our world, then be sure to subscribe to keep yourself updated when we upload a new video.